Rika, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
May lalakas pa ba doon? Okay.
Yes, Father.
Okay. Kahit sa interview, mahinahon talaga si attorney. Oh. Sabi ko. Kaya siguro napapanalo niya yung mga kaso, no? Kasi mahinahon.
Aking mahal ganda, today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and joy. Mula pa nung una, nagtagpo tayo sa office, I knew I had found someone whom I will cherish, fight for, and be with forever.
So, ito na yung soft launch ng Team Dedo. Team Derica and Dominador. Dahil doon, pangako ko na I will be the best teammate for you. It will always be you and me versus the challenge, never you versus me.
Continue your good work.
Yun, laging makisama sa kapwa, maging maunawain. At higit sa lahat, kilala mo.
Okay.
Naisip ba ninyo, Doms, Rika, sa dinami-dami ng mga tao sa mundo, no? Kayo ang magkakatuluyan? Kasi, bigay kayo ng Diyos sa isa't isa. You are God's gift to each other.
Always be. Totoo ang mga pangarap namin.
I will learn with you and grow with you, even as time and life change us both. Thank you for letting me know na ganito pala ang pakiramdam ng minamahal. Thank you dahil mahal mo ang pamilya ko, si Daddy, Ate, Badang, at si Jared, pati yung isang lupon ng pusa namin sa bahay.
I will be your rock, your partner, your biggest supporter, and your best friend. Whether we are on defeat or celebrating triumphs, I vow to stand by your side, hand in hand, for all days of our lives.
One day and one step further, one day and one step further, one day at a time. You'll see one day and one step, we'll know one day and one step.
Today, I take you as my wife, and I promise to be the man you deserve, always striving to grow with you, to nurture our love, and to create a future we can be both proud of. You are my heart, my home, my forever. I love you now and always.
Kung andito pa si Mama, panigurado magugustuhan ka niya. Pangako ko sa'yo, nahihintayin kita bago ako manood ng next episode. At ipopost ko ang TV kapag meron kang tawag o kailangan gawin. I will never take your actions, words, and kindness for granted. I will love you every day forever.